In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Askbox on Tumblr mobile. Askbox is a feature that you can find on your blog profile. You can find it under your profile photo on Tumblr. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Tumblr app on your device. Now make sure that your account is signed in into this device. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find the profile button. Click on this. Now click on the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your account settings. Scroll down and enable let people ask questions. This will allow you to add an ask box on your Tumblr profile. You can allow anonymous ask and allow ask with media. You can modify the ask title page, and that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.